Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel RMBA to Tech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগ আসাম পাব্লিক সাৰ্ভিস কমিশনৰ এটা বহুত দিনৰ অপেক্ষা সকলোৱে কৰি আছিল লেটেষ্ট আপডেট আৰু লেটেষ্ট আপডেটটো এবাৰ আমি চাই লওঁ আহক বহুতে মোক কোৱেশ্চন কৰি আছিল যে এক্সাম কেতিয়া হ'ব আৰু এই আসক মই কৈছিল ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী মাহৰ মানত হ'ব লগাৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে তো এতিয়া আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে notification regarding screening test OMR based and written for recruitment to the post of assistant accounts officer our class 3 post of APDCL limited dated iman didise teloge ebar etia ame porhi sao ahok yat apnaloge dekha paise 1st March 2025 aru likha ase this is for information to all concerned that the APSC will hold the screening test OMR and written for recruitment to the post of Assistant Accounts Officer AO Class 3 post in APDCL advertisement number to DDC on 23rd March 2025 Sunday as per program given below. Here likha ase time 9 par 12 loike prathom subject was general English and general knowledge or 1:30 to 4:30 pm data par 6:30 loike mathematics and optional paper. No intimation letter to the eligible candidates shall be sent separately by post. The list of candidates shall be uploaded on 13th of March 2025 and e-admission certificate on 17th of March 2025. Teoloke site list maribo 13 March 2025 aro admission certificate admit card dibo 17 March 2025 pra in the commission official website. Aru yat eta important point likhi dise the commission would like to clarify that the commission reserves the right to cancel the candidature of any candidate on verification of their application form at any stage. PWD candidates willing to apply for scribe for the said screening test may inform in writing. Jodi jihokol candidate physically disabled candidate ase teoloke jodi scribe lobo bisare teoloke lobo paribo or mail koribo lagibo on or before 14th of March 2025. Khara kisu apnaloke video to informative boli bhabise aru jodi informative hoy tetiale eta like kori dibo channel to subscribe koribo napahoribo logote video to share koribo napahoribo aziloi ahu bye bye take care jai hind.